Hey guys, before you start the video, I just wanted to tell you that I could not post the video last week because I had broken one of my fingers on my right foot while practicing a dance move. So yeah, but I'm better now, and that's why I'm posting this week. Hope you enjoy this, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, like, share, and comment likewise. Okay guys, so what you have to do is move your hip around like this. Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, that's how you do it. Just move your hips around, left, right. Not much movement of the body, just moving your hip around. That's it. And the other part is the hand. Just hang in your hand, wave it like this. So one is going both the hands in the front, then one back, one forward, one back, one forward. Let's see it on from the sideways. So like this, you make it straight, both the hands together, then split it, then both the hands together, and then split it, one back, one forward. Do it the same way, and then you have to join both the things together. So when you move your hip out, you take your hands in. So like this, move your hip out, hands in, then hip in, hands out, hip in, hands out, then hip out, hands in. And you have to do it slowly. Take it slowly and keep your body straight. Do it slowly, and then gradually increase the pace, and then you'll be rocking it. Like I say always, practice is the key, guys. And hope you like it, and I would like to see some of you trying this. Enjoy.